A graceful blend of elegance and engineering, the Mercedes-Benz 280SL Pagoda emerged in the late 1960s as a symbol of refined performance and timeless style. Its nickname came from the distinctive concave hardtop roof, resembling the shape of an Asian pagoda, a design choice that wasn't just for beauty but for strength and safety. Crafted by Paul Bracq and Bella Bahraini, every line carried purpose, clean, fluid, and distinctly German. The long hood, balanced proportions, and chrome accents gave it a poised, effortless charm that made it stand out even among Europe's finest roadsters. Under the hood, a 2.8-liter inline-six engine breathed life into the car, delivering around 170 horsepower through a smooth 4-speed automatic or manual gearbox. It wasn't built for raw speed, but for a refined driving experience, one where precision and comfort danced together in perfect rhythm. The independent rear suspension and disc brakes gave it confident handling, something that drivers of the era often compared to much sportier machines. Inside, craftsmanship took center stage. Rich leather, wooden trim, and perfectly positioned gauges reflected Mercedes-Benz's devotion to perfection. The steering wheel felt elegant yet purposeful, while the soft seats provided an unmatched sense of sophistication. Even the smallest details, from the chrome switches to the air vents, carried a sense of mechanical poetry. The 280SL wasn't just a car, it was an expression of the 1960s spirit of freedom and taste. It became the choice of movie stars, collectors, and enthusiasts who admired understated luxury. Today, it remains one of the most collectible Mercedes models ever produced, a timeless blend of class and performance that continues to capture hearts wherever it appears.